Welcome to this Introduction to Mechanical Engineering at UBC Vancouver. We're so glad you could join us to learn about this dynamic field and our undergraduate program. So what is mechanical engineering? Mechanical engineering specializes in any system involving movement and energy. That makes the field incredibly broad, and mechanical engineers work in almost every industry. They design machines like vehicles, robots, or medical devices, and they work on important issues like reducing greenhouse gas emissions or developing renewable energy technologies. At UBC Vancouver, our undergraduate program has both breadth and depth, giving you the teamwork, leadership, design, and technical skills you need to work across a wide variety of sectors. It gives you the opportunity to explore different areas of interest, as well as the mobility to adapt when the industry changes. Our program gives you a broad foundation. However, if you have a passion for a specific area, we have several options that allow you to delve deeper. Our general stream is the most flexible. It allows you to sample courses from all of our other options. Aerospace teaches you about mechanical engineering in the world of aviation. Biomechanics and biomedical devices explores movement within the human body, preparing you for engineering in the medical field. Energy and environment opens up the world of energy systems, building design, and transportation, and addresses important issues in sustainability. Mechatronics is where electronics, artificial intelligence, programming, and controls meet the world of mechanical systems. This means anytime a moving system is controlled by a computer, like a robot. Naval architecture and marine engineering lets you delve into ship design, learning topics like hydrodynamics, fluid mechanics, and marine systems. Like other UBC engineering programs, entry into mechanical engineering happens at the end of your first year studies. Our second, third, and fourth year curriculum provides you with the academic knowledge, hands-on skills, and design project experience that prepares you for this dynamic field. Our award-winning second year program, Mech 2, starts you off with a foundation for the rest of your degree. Mech 2 integrates academics with application. You do 4 modules instead of doing separate courses. This gets you designing and building right from the moment you begin to study. Engineers in industry don't work by themselves, so we also prepare our students with collaborative team-based learning. Practical and hands-on design challenges and machine shop training teach students how a design can move from paper to reality. In third and fourth year, you take your specialized option courses and your technical electives, and you can explore a suite of further design courses. And then in fourth year, you do your year-long 4-5X capstone design course, in which you take all of your skills and you apply them to a real industry project from a sponsor who mentors your team throughout the year. We also have specialized facilities and staff team to support you in your learning journey. Our machine shop, instrumentation lab, undergraduate lab, and makerspace allow you to practice your practical hand-on skills. And our technical staff give you all the training you'll need, even if you've never set foot in a machine shop before. We also have a dedicated student services team with advisors to help you get the most out of your degree. You'll be learning from professors with broad ranges of research expertise. They use the tools of mechanical engineering to explore and investigate important issues. Outside of the academic program, we have a vibrant student community and many opportunities to extend your learning beyond the classroom. The Department of Mechanical Engineering supports a variety of student design teams, which allows you to apply your skills learned in your academic courses to extracurricular challenges. We also have Club Mech, which is the undergraduate society that represents our students in student government and organizes professional development and social activities. Also, there are a number of opportunities for undergraduates to get research experience. MEC 493, Introduction to Academic Research, is a course that allows fourth-year students to do a research project under the supervision of a professor. Create U is a unique summer experience that combines courses in technical skills for research with a paid research project in a MEC lab, which can count towards a co-op. Also, the Undergraduate Student Research Awards support paid work terms in research labs here at UBC. Because mechanical engineering is such a broad field, a wide range of industries hire mechanical engineers. It's an internationally recognized degree, one of the foundational engineering disciplines. You can take it anywhere you go. Here are some of our alumni. As you can see, our graduates work for businesses like Tesla or Apple, become entrepreneurs, or even professors. Here's a sample of industries that our alumni work in. Our graduates are hired by a wide range of local and international companies in industries like medical device design, automotive, robotics, marine engineering, and many more. You can see here that some local companies include Cardium, C-SPAN, Ballard, BC Hydro, and also companies from all over the world hire our graduates like Rolls-Royce, Tesla, Amazon, Google, etc. Also, our alumni are entrepreneurs. With the design focus and teamwork skills in our program and all the hands-on projects, mechanical engineering lends itself to entrepreneurships. And as you can see, many of our graduates have gone on to found their own startups. We'll end with this quote from one of our alum. "I chose MEC because it gave me a strong and broad foundation to do a lot of things in the future. It keeps my options open. I didn't know what I wanted to do in high school, but I knew that this degree would give me tons of options and I could combine it with other disciplines. Mechanical engineering will prepare you for a rewarding career in a broad range of industries, pursue your passions, and make a difference." Thank you so much for joining us to learn about mechanical engineering at UBC Vancouver. If you need any more information, you can find us online on our website, mech.ubc.ca, and you can send us any questions you have at students@mech.ubc.ca. Thanks once again.